You can't learn if you know everything. Kung ikaw yung tipong know it all, hindi, alam ko na yan, hindi, napanood ko na yan sa YouTube or may certification ako dyan. E di okay, marami kang alam, sana natutulungan mo yung mga tao, pero etong tandaan natin, even experts and masters, marami pa rin silang natutunan. Kasi kahit sabihin natin, ang galing-galing mo sa isang bagay, sa isang field, maybe there will come a time na as technology move forward, the knowledge that you know, that I know, it can be obsolete. That's why it's important to always be open for learning what happened in the past, na galawan, na processes, not necessarily it will still be applicable today and even moving forward in the future. So, napaka-importante to always be open sa learning because ang bilis mag-move forward ng technology. Naalala niyo pa ba yung typewriter? Ang galing mo nga sa typewriter, pero kung hindi ka nag-adapt, baka hindi ka natuto in using a computer, hindi ka rin makakapag-communicate or wala naman na yata hinahire para sa typing lang, no? Pero you get my point. May mga bagay na mau-obsolete in the future. That's why we should constantly upgrade ourselves, upgrade our knowledge, so that we can always add value.